So hey guys, it's Zakariya here. You may have noticed that I'm the same guy who made that Alexa skill thingy, so I didn't finish it. But now I'm gonna make a paper aeroplane. So first, you just fold it like this, whatever. Then you unfold it. Start doing these triangles. I'm not really good at paper origami, so don't judge me. And it's really quick. Just do this and this. And just do that to the other side too. Do that. And that's it. You just unfold it. Then you might want to adjust it, but I don't think. You adjust it like this, something like that. So there you have it.
Wow.
Have a good day. And sorry I couldn't do that Alexa skull thingy. It's only because I had to go to school and stuff like that. I'm busy. So, bye-bye. Have a nice week and see you later.